So you've received your new human hair topper and you clip it in. But the front and top section is really flat against your head and the style is looking uneven and kinked after shipping. This is normal, it just needs a little bit of TLC. So I start by taking my straightening irons to the lengths of the hair to flatten out those kinks. And now I'm going to sort the flatness and that too perfect part line. So take some water in a spray bottle and wet the top section, including right in at the roots. Brush the hair forwards and break up that part and then flip it back off the face and hold it there. And using a hairdryer, you can begin to dry the hair from the roots up and off the face. And this is going to wake up those hair fibres and create lift in the roots. You can do this all over that wet top section of hair, moving it in different directions but always up and off the face. And continue this until it's fully dried. Finally, you can add in some hairspray to hold, spraying in at the roots. And the final result is the hair is now lifting from the roots and the kinks are gone and that poker straight part line has been broken up, creating a more natural and realistic look to your topper.